Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your teacher Ma'am Rifat. Today we are going to do vowels and consonants. What we are going to do today? Vowels and consonants. Okay, today I'm going to tell you a story. आप लोग story सुनेंगे? Once upon a time in a village there were 26 siblings. एक गांव में 26 siblings रहते थे. आउट ऑफ सिबलिंग्स क्या होते हैं? बहन भाई. आउट ऑफ दीज 26 सिबलिंग्स 5 सिबलिंग्स ए ई आई ओ यू. ए ई आई ओ यू. They used to live with their grandmother. ये किसके साथ रहते थे? अपनी grandmother के साथ रहते थे. And rest of 21 siblings, जो इनके अलावा 21 siblings थे, वो किसके साथ रहते थे? अपनी मामा के साथ. They used to live with their mother. So 5 siblings A, E, I, O, U who lives with their grandmother are called vowels. A E I O U. ये सिबलिंग्स, इन सिबलिंग्स को सब क्या कहते थे? वॉवल्स कहते थे. क्या कहते थे इनको? वॉवल्स कहते थे. एंड 21 सिबलिंग्स हु लिव विद देयर मदर आर कॉल्ड कॉन्सोनेंट्स. उनको सब क्या कहते थे? कॉन्सोनेंट्स कहते थे. सो दीज 5 लेटर्स A E I O U are called vowels. They are called vowels. So say hi to vowels. Hi. A E I O U. कौन से हैं vowels? Now you tell me the vowels. A E I O U. Okay, now let's do a poem. Okay. What you have to do, you just first listen to me carefully, okay? Then we will sing together, okay? Vowels of the alphabets, I know them all by name. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Vowels of the alphabets, I know them all by name. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Okay, are you ready to sing with me? Very good. Now it's your turn. Sing with me. Vowels of the alphabets, I know them all by name. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Very good. Okay, now I hope you understand that we are having a 5 vowels in English alphabets. A, E, I, O, U. आप सबको समझ में आ गई? There are 5 letters in English alphabets which call vowels. A, E, I, O, U. और बाकी जो 21 letters हैं उनको आप क्या कहते हो? Consonants. उनको हम क्या कहेंगे? Consonants. इसके अलावा जितने भी letters हैं उनको हम क्या कहेंगे? Consonants कहते हैं उनको हम. Okay, now let's prepare a page for writing. Okay? Okay, write down the date on the top of your left side. Today is 2. And which month is going on? It's a month of June. And number of June is 6 in 2020. 2/6/2020. Then write down C.W. Class work. Class work. Then write down day. What day is today? Yesterday was Monday. So today is, what comes after Monday? Tuesdays. Today is Tuesday. Tues. Day. Day. Tuesday. What day is today? Tuesday. Now write down the heading. Start heading from your left side with the capital letter W R I T E. Right. 2 finger distance देंगे आप. Then write down D O W and down T. Then 2 finger distance T H E. They write down the vowels W V O W E L S. Vowels. What we are going to now write? What we are going to write now? We are going to write vowels. These are the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now just put your palm on the paper. आप अपनी palm को अपने हाथ को अपने रखेंगे पेपर के ऊपर and draw your hand on the paper. जैसे ये देखिए मैम ने ड्रॉ किया है. Okay. Then write down the first letter here A. Then write down the next E, I, O, U. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. These are the, what are these? These are the vowels. What are these? These are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Look at this. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. What are these? These are the vowels. Okay, now just tell me that how many vowels we are having? We have 5 vowels in English. How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I hope you understand. Enjoy the lesson. Enjoy किया आप लोगों ने ना? Very good. Okay. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.